Hello everyone, today I will unbox another KNIPEX tool and do some very simple review. This is KNIPEX StepCutter. This is, I can say, small version, 160 millimeters. They have bigger version and also with different type of handles. I bought it from Amazon Germany. This handle, if you see red and yellow, mainly it means it's for electrician. 1000 volt, made in Germany. We can cut up to 15 millimeters or 50 millimeters square wires. The advantage of step cutter, it does not cut the wire at the same time in the whole length, or it cuts like in steps, so you can cut very thick wire easily. They have other version for this with simple handle, one component like this, but this is not KNIPEX, this is cheap Chinese version of similar cutter. It has regular blue-red, not electrician one, a little bit cheaper. For this, as I paid about 35 euros. So you can buy a bigger one with two parts similar to this for smaller wires and bigger wires. But I do not need to work with so thick wires. Because of that, I bought this small one. It's with very nice fitting handle. This yellow similar to rubber, and the red is plastic. Let's try. I put here some different wires. Let's try it from the thin one. It cut like a butter. This 4 millimeter square wire. Okay. This one, I believe, 6 millimeter wire. Again, no resistance. It cuts. You even do not feel how it cuts. Different types of wires. I feel that a little bit inconvenient all the time to open like this, big open, to cut the wires, because you are losing contact with your hand. But I think if you make a use to it, it is not problem. Very simple to use. This Chinese one, it is not bad one. This is Chinese brand, Lava. It's middle type of brand. You can cut with these two, but the resistance is more. You feel how you are pressing and pushing and putting some effort to cut wires, especially bigger one. Not difficult, you can use to it, but this one cutter like a butter. So if you are interested, I will put a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.